Mommy, come pick me up.
Даже ценник с нее не собрал.
Да, вот нормально вроде, да? Эти затянулись. Понял? Camping trip number 725. We are in Laurel Fork. Is that, what's the name of this place?
I have no idea where we are.
Laurel Fork Wilderness.
Laurel Fork, whatever. You heard it. You heard him say it.
Entirely too many L's for a
Хотя, может,
Не, нормально. Я просто типа, ну, как бы так и надо, да, чуть врачком?
Да.
Окей. Ну, просто я не знаю, как вы себя поднимаете, вы должны вообще вот так ходить.
Like 160 pounds, 300 pounds, no problem.
Ну что, погнали? You guys ready? Let's go. Dude, this is my third or fourth video going fishing and not catching anything. So, well, no, it's number 3. So, third's the charm. Third's the charm.
Oh, Cornelius. Hi, wilderness.
Wow.
Most people don't come here. You know how DNR will, the main trail that goes from the campground to the end of the wilderness is almost like overrun by bushes. Maybe they're just not maintaining it during COVID, or people are just not coming to this wilderness.
Good, more wilderness for us.
Everyone's at Dolly Sods, and but there's no good fishing in Dolly Sods.
And here's our camp. Ta-da!
It's called Beaver Dam Sanctuary as well.
Got myself a hammock. And now I will set it up. Клює? Офигеть, клюет, чувак. Yeah, it's a baby trout, you gotta let it go.
It's not a trout, actually. It's not a trout.
That's awesome, dude.
Я дома посчитал все как надо, там нормально. Вот это надо, чтобы не... Да, мне захочется.
Good morning. This was probably one of those comfortable nights I've ever had. It was super nice. Slept like a rock.
Это гадость, Жень. Тебе не понравится.
Это гадость, но она меньше жжет, чем Романа.
Ты понял, что случилось? Я подкручивал к берегу, и он его в движение атаковал.
Look at this guy. Good sized fish.
Oh, no, I'm gonna let him go.
It's raining and we're fishing. Вот, смотри, видишь? Got another one. That one is kind of small, isn't it? Is it the same type?
No.
Is it? Looks different? This is day 3. Yesterday it was rainy. Pretty much all day it was raining. Tigran and Roman caught a bunch of fishes. It was cool. I didn't get to catch anything. Today the weather's a bit better. Finally see some sun. Now we're just walking around in the woods, checking things out. There's a bunch of mushrooms. Really cool looking ones. I mean, it looks edible. I'm not gonna try it, but there's Fedya. Trying to catch the biggest catch of all catches.
A whale. Hoping for a big whale.
Jimmy Hamster. Jim, tell us something good. What's good, man?
Life is good.
Very good.
Delicious.
So this is the 3rd day and it's the end of our trip. Just tomorrow morning when I hit the road, go back home.